Collector's Corner stamp picks for the week of March 17, 2014. As of today, there are over 6,300 stamps available for sale. This week's stamp picks come from Century Stamps. Here is Scott number 1, 1847 5-cent red orange PSE extremely fine superb 95 used. Scott number 6, 1851 1-cent blue type 1A positions 91 through 100 L4 and 95 97 R4 PSE extremely fine 90 used. Scott number 128 1875 12-cent green PSE very fine extremely fine 85 mint original gum previously hinged. Scott number 17 1851 12-cent black PSE very fine 80 used. Scott number 29 1859 5-cent brown type 1 PSE extremely fine 90 used. For stamps in this video or other stamps you may be interested in, please visit collectorscorner.com.